Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking to get NordVPN but don't want to pay the full price, this is the video for you. Today I'll share some of the biggest NordVPN discount codes for 2022, including YouTuber codes and ones shared on Reddit so you can save big. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes to try so you can pick the one that gives you the maximum savings. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs worldwide. Fast servers, strong encryption, advanced features like threat protection, and a strict no logs policy. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing securely, NordVPN has you covered. And with these codes, you can get it at one of the lowest prices available. Here are the codes you can try. Nord 2022, save up to 68% off 2-year plans. YouTuber deal, get 3 extra months free with a long-term plan. VPN Reddit 20, extra 20% off verified by Reddit users. Nord Secure 15, flat 15% off annual subscriptions. Safe 10 now, additional 10% off for new users. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these coupon codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the biggest discount, try another. Yeah, one of these will definitely work in 2022. So don't wait. Like, these NordVPN deals won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing safely today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and tech deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.